Hello, everybody! Welcome to Italian Learning Time! Today, we are going to learn Italian words step by step. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Number 1. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao means hello and bye-bye. Everybody say, ciao! Ciao, ciao. Very good. Number 2. Good morning. In Italian, we say, Buongiorno. Repeat after me. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Amazing. Number 3. Good afternoon. In Italian, we say Buon pomeriggio. Again slowly. Buon pomeriggio. Very nice. Number 4. Good evening. In Italian, we say Buonasera. Everybody together. Buonasera. Great job. Number 5. What is your name? In Italian, we say, Come ti chiami? Repeat with me. Come ti chiami? Excellent. Number 6. My name is... In Italian, we say, Mi chiamo. Mi chiamo Luca. Mi chiamo Sofia. Now you try. Mi chiamo. Very good. Number 7. Where do you live? In Italian, we say, Dove vivi? Again, everybody. Dove vivi? Perfect. Number 8. I live in... In Italian, we say, Vivo a Roma. Vivo a Milano. Now you say it. Vivo a... Amazing. Number 9. How old are you? In Italian, we say, Quanti anni hai? Repeat slowly. Quanti anni hai? Fantastic. Number 10. I am years old. In Italian, we say, Ho anni. Example, Ho 10 anni. That means, I am 10 years old. Great. Number 11. 1. Uno. Everybody say, uno. Number 12. 2. Due. Again, due. Number 13. 3. Tre. Everybody together. Tre. Excellent. Number 14. See you soon. In Italian, we say, a presto. Again, a presto. Very good. Number 15. Goodbye. In Italian, we say, ciao. Wave your hands, everybody. Ciao. Number 16. Thank you. In Italian, we say, grazie. Everybody say, grazie. Amazing. Number 17. Let's sing together. In Italian, we say, cantiamo insieme. Again, cantiamo insieme. Number 18. One more time. In Italian, we say, un'altra volta. Everybody together, un'altra volta. Number 19. For goodbye. In Italian, we say, per arrivederci. Again slowly. Per arrivederci. Fantastic. Number 20. Goodbye, everybody. In Italian, we say, Arrivederci. Wave your hands. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao. You did amazing today. Now you know many Italian words. Keep practicing every day and sing with me again soon. Bye-bye, everybody. Ciao, ciao. Arrivederci.